How's it going, everybody? Nothing huge. I just was cleaning house and got the old Commodore out, and still goes like a champ. So, this thing was released in 1983, the year I was born. I think we got it when I was like 4 or 5 years old, and yeah, the thing is still rocking. Check this out. Playing Flight Sim, Ace of Aces. Oh, this brings back some memories. We get so many games for this thing, including one of the first Star Wars games. We got Rampage. Oh, check that out. That's gold. So everything still works on this. This is so freaking awesome. So yeah, I'm just messing around, not really doing much of anything. I just thought this was really cool. Thought you guys might be interested. So I'm 37, so this is 37 years old and it still works. The only thing that doesn't seem to be working too well is the volume. I don't know if it's the potentiometer or the speaker. It's trying, but just getting crackling and stuff. But check this out. Rampage, Summer Games, John Madden, one of the first Maddens. Batman, Kung Fu, wrestling. Oh, so much here. Excite Bike is this blue one that's our Super Cycle. I think I got Excite Bike in here as well. Check that out. Freaking Star Wars. So, yeah, just some fun history thought you guys might be interested in. Love y'all. Have a good one, humans.